It's very easy to make your own corsage. Just get yourself some scrap material. I'm going to use some ripped shirts and things that I found laying around, things that are of no use at the certain time. And I've got a broken pin, found some ribbon, floral, flowers. Just find whatever you have laying around. Here's some old lace. You can definitely create a corsage and boutonniere and even a pocket square using things that are just laying around your house. If you don't have the supplies, you can go to the Dollar Tree. You can get a whole pack of hot glue for $1 at the Dollar Tree. I'm applying hot glue on this material and letting it dry, and then cutting at the seam so that it doesn't fray. Fire can be helpful. It can singe the edge of ribbon so that it doesn't fray anymore. It creates a clean, polished look. Hot glue is secure. Just make sure you press it down and don't burn yourself. This design is adjustable. If you don't have feathers on a ribbon, you can glue them onto a ribbon. Take your flower apart, glue it down. You can add details with a Sharpie marker or a permanent marker. Just cut pieces of lace apart or material and use them as leaves. I'm going to cut a loose gem off of here and use it as the center of the flower. Looks good. Soon ready for prom. Now you just have to assemble a boutonniere or lapel pin. I'm going to fold my lace up, cutting a flower petal off so it matches the burgundy color that's on the wrist corsage. I'm just going to add lines to the flower like I did on her corsage. You can be sloppy and it still looks good in the end. Make sure you put enough hot glue on so it doesn't fall apart. Cover up any hot glue with pieces of ribbon. You can even add a pocket square. Just get a piece of cardboard. Then wrap material around the cardboard. Adhere with hot glue. Barely any of this shows out of the pocket, so you don't have to be too perfect. And voila! There we have it.